Welcome to Sushmita's science class. Here, science will be made very interesting and easy.
Children, we have already studied that animals can be classified on the basis of habitat, food habits, backbone, way of reproduction, body temperature, hours of activity, way of breathing, body covering, body movement, and adaptation. The types of adaptations are structural and behavioral. Structural adaptations में आते हैं body covering, breathing organs, and the organs for movement. Today we are going to study about the organs of movement in animals. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water, shelter, and to protect themselves from their enemies. They also move to build shelters. They move from one place to another using different body parts like fins, feet, legs, and wings, etc. So, animals that live on land usually crawl, walk, run, hop. So, these animals, mostly the mammals, have four limbs. Front two limbs are called forelimbs, and the back two limbs are called hind limbs. The animals such as cat, dog, lion, and tiger use four limbs to move, while human beings use only the two hind limbs, that is, the legs, to move. They use their forelimbs, hands, for various other purposes because humans have an erect posture. The aquatic animals, they swim, fish, frog, turtles are some of the animals. Fish have fins to swim in the water. The fins are used to move forward, while the tail fin helps to change the direction of the movement. Turtles have paddle like limbs to move. Frogs have webbed feet to move in water. Penguins use two forelimbs as flippers to push water and swim. The ducks have webbed feet to swim in water. The aerial animals, like birds and insects, they fly. Insects are six legged animals: mosquitoes, bees, butterflies, houseflies. And moth are the insects that can fly with the help of their wings. Their wings have scales. Insects do not have feathers like birds. Insects can crawl on their legs. Grasshoppers use their long hind limbs for hopping. The birds have four limbs, but they are in the form of wings that help them to fly. The wings of the birds have feathers. When the bird lands after the flight, it uses its hind limbs to walk. Hind limbs are also used to walk, run, perch on the trees, search food, and attack enemies. Ostriches, emus, and penguins are some of the flightless birds which cannot fly as their wings are weak and they are the heavy birds. Now, reptiles and the animals such as lizards, crocodile, tortoise, snakes crawl on the ground with the help of their limbs. The earthworms, they move through their muscles and the scales of their body. Snakes do not have limbs. They move with the help of scales present on the underside of their body. Frogs hop around using their strong and long hind limbs. They also have webbed feet which help them to swim. Fish, dolphin, and whales have special structures on their bodies called fins which help them to swim. Fin like structures in penguins and seals are called flippers, which help them to swim in water. Bird's body is adapted to cut through air for flying, so they have hollow, lightweight bones and streamlined bodies.
If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe.